What's up? It's Liam back with another slime video, and today we are going to be making a Viking slime. So we got purple and gold glitter for the Minnesota Vikings color, and we are gonna use glue, and we're gonna use the magic liquid for the recipe, and then we're gonna add the mixed up Vikings glitter. I think it's gonna look really cool. And let's just get in. We're gonna add the ounces of glue. And then we're gonna get all of it out with the spatula. Because it's glue, it's gonna stick to stuff. Dad's gonna help.
Take the spatula. There you go.
That should be good. And now we're going to add the magic liquid. We're adding just a bit of it to activate the slime. And fourth of a cup. And while we're doing that, we're gonna add in our glitter. Oh yeah. Of course, like the recipe says, it's hardening off. I'm gonna try and get some of the glitter down because it's all over the sides. So you guys can see it for yourselves. Okay, now I'm going to take it out and I'm going to start kneading it.
Just keep it over the bowl, please.
It looks really cool. We're just trying to get it to be less sticky. Sticky right now, so I might add a bit more activator if it's too sticky, but we can't do that yet because I haven't really even kneaded it yet. Oh. Look at the slime, guys. It is on my hands because I have a Band-Aid on. That kind of attracts it. It is really sticky though.
Just keep kneading it.
I'm going to keep kneading it. You guys can skip farther in the video if you don't want to see me kneading it. But we will add a bit more activator, because in other videos it has told us that it makes it less sticky. Oh yeah. Just get that. The Band-Aid's gonna get really sticky. Oh yeah, that actually really helped. I'm gonna get the rest of the slime that's just been.
There's more activator in there, so.
There is? Okay.
Cool. So just, there you go. Yep.
We're just gonna get it wet with activator. Okay, let's try and knead it a bit more to get it as not sticky as possible. You gotta knead it and add more activator because otherwise it wouldn't have turned into a slime. It would have just turned into a big sticky mess. So I'm gonna take off my Band-Aid just because it's really getting the slime onto it. If you guys didn't know, we were doing a bunch of artwork and I got some on. So right here we got ourselves a nice Viking slime. Sorry if you can't hear me as good. Dad's washing his hands, but this actually worked really well. It turned into an awesome looking Viking slime. I really like how it turned out. I totally recommend the colors and making this if you're a Viking fan. And there's also green glitter at Michael's where we got it. We got this glitter and the gallon of glue and we also have the silver glue just in case. And just go to Michael's. Michael's is where all of the stuff is. And if you go to Michael's and get this, you can make your own Viking slime. And you can make slime for any other team because there was tons of glitter there. There's glitter for like any color, so if you cheered for, say, the Buccaneers, you could get black and silver. Oh, the Raiders. Oh my God, Liam, what are you doing? That's like a blooper. If I ever do a blooper compilation, that's going to be in it. The Buccaneers would be like red and black. But I think I'm going to end the video here after I just play with it for a bit. I'll show you guys it. That's how the slime turned out. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a nice day. Peace out.